Hi everyone. Gosh, it has been a long day. I just went to the grocery store again. I know I was just there, and I have plenty of food, but they were having good specials at the store, and I'm probably not going to have time for quite a while to go, because things are about to get really even crazier for me. So, right now, I thought I would unload my groceries. Someone requested in the last one that I made with me unloading the groceries that I talk more about what I'm doing. So I'll try to do that, but I'm in kind of a hurry to put them away because it's raining really hard here, and I've already had them out of the grocery store for a while. The person next door is parked in my parking space, so I had to run back and forth in the rain with all my groceries, so they're all pretty wet, but I'll go ahead and start. I usually organize them before I put them away, so usually I get out all my refrigerated stuff, but I'll show you. These soups were, these Progressive soups were like 8 of them for 10. Last week they had 10 for 10, which was better, but so I like to get this Langer's, focus it, Langer's no sugar added pomegranate juice. It's only got like 40 calories and 9 grams of sugar, so I like that because it's not a sugary drink, because I don't like sugary drinks. There's the rest of my canned stuff. I got, this is unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I used to buy the Blue Diamond kind, but I found a brand that my grocery store sells, which is the exact same thing and it's cheaper, so I've been buying that. And almond milk, since it's not actually, it doesn't have any lactose in it, this particular thing. Oh, there's my refrigerator. I swear my refrigerator knows when I'm putting things in it, because it cuts on as I'm putting things inside. But I was going to say the almond milk, it has very few calories, and I don't know, I don't really like regular milk, so I've always bought lactose-free milk. Okay, I've got some baby carrots, some chicken breast from Lando Frost, because they give you a lot in the pack, and some more cheddar cheese, slices for sandwiches. Some being light wheat bread, which I'm going to put in the freezer. I know that sounds weird, but I have some in the fridge already, and so I'm going to put this in the freezer. I'm like a bread hoarder because I don't like to buy bread very often. Okay, have some dividers. Some tomato basil wraps, chewy bars, but they're not actually chewy bars, they're off-brand. but they have the same ingredients and are cheaper. Oranges, which I'll put in my fridge so these are good. Got my Smart Ones dinners. More lasagna. They're just really easy to eat when I'm in a hurry. Gosh, I wish you could see. Everything's so wet from the rain. Then I have a bunch of Yoplays. Oh, they're all dirty because they got all wet. It was buy 10 for 5. Sometimes they have 10 for 10 or 10 for 7, but this one they had 10 for 5. So I get the whips, I get the regular yogurts, I get the light ones that have the two Weight Watchers points. I get all the different ones. So I have 10 of them, but we'll get to that. And if you don't know, the whips, you can also freeze them and turn them into like ice cream. You guys would not believe right now how many Yoplait yogurts I have in my fridge already. Also got some Keebler crackers for when I have some snacks. Bananas. And then some cherry tomatoes. Also have a whipped cream cheese spread. I used to buy the Weight Watchers one, but I found one at my grocery store that's exactly the same and it's cheaper, so I get that one. Then I have 2 more 1-liter bottles of LaCroix, however you want to say it. One's lime, one's berry. They were only 98 cents, and I love those. Then I have the Special K sea salt cracker chips and the popcorn chips, the sweet and salty ones, because they were get 2 for 5. Oops. Five more Yoplays. Another chewy bar, but this time it's chocolate chip instead of... Oh, I thought I got a peanut butter one, I guess not. Then I got a big thing of celery, which is too big to fit in the camera. One more soup. And then, the very last, I have this Bolthouse Farms olive oil vinaigrette, which is tropical mango, and I've never tried this one. They keep coming out with new flavors every time I go to the store, but they're low-calorie salad dressings. They're not very expensive, and they only have, like, this one has 30 calories per 2 tablespoons, and I've tried all their other ones. They have, like, a blue cheese one. They have a honey mustard one I really like. I think they have a ranch one. They have a bunch that I've tried, and this was just another one I haven't tried yet.